Side buttons for quick menu access. Recording and built-in speakers. Power button, charging port, and battery compartment. To install an SD card, first remove the battery for smoother installation. First time activation, press and hold the power button to turn on the camera, select your preferred language. Connect to Wi-Fi. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the control center. From the control center, navigate to Setting. Panox Quick View. Instantly share photos and videos to smartphone. Easy Mode. Quickly explore the features of this camera. Shooting Tutorial. Swipe left or right to adjust the viewing angle. Adjust shooting modes from the bottom of the camera interface. Adjust shooting parameters on the right side of the camera interface. Use the menu at the bottom right corner to set countdown timers, resolution, frame rate, GPS recording or interval shooting. One-click creation tutorial. Open the album and select your footage. Tap the edit icon in the top right corner. Select precision, or one-click creation at the top of the screen. Switch to one-click creation and explore various templates. Select your desired template and tap it at the bottom. Choose the highlights of your footage. Tap export icon in the top right corner, where you can adjust resolution and frame rate. Once exported, a new video is created and ready to share. In camera editing, use sharing tutorial. Open the album and select a panoramic video to edit. While playing the video, swipe to adjust the viewing angle. Tap the edit icon in the top right corner. Select precision mode from the top menu for advanced editing tools. Aspect ratio. Adjust the frame aspect ratio, 9:16, 16:9, 1:1. Tap the checkmark in the top right corner to confirm. Trim. Adjust the video length. Adjust the video length by dragging the timeline to your desired duration. Tap the checkmark to save change. Keyframe. Add keyframes to customize viewing angles and camera movements. Move the timeline to your desired point and tap plus to add a keyframe. To update an existing keyframe's perspective, tap checkmark icon above the original keyframe position. Preview your edits when finished. Tap the export icon at the top right of screen. In the export menu, adjust resolution, frame rate, and other settings. After exporting, a new video is created. Tap the share button to generate a QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone to save or share the video.